Hey, what's up? I'm Alex Farnham.
And I'm Katie Wayne, and this is Animalist News. And today we're going to play a game.
Yes, we're playing a game. So, Katie, did you know that in the English language and other languages, the noises that animals make are different?
Well, I mean, that's pretty obvious.
Yes.
It's like different languages.
Yes, that's true.
But it's really interesting when you actually think about it.
Exactly. So we're going to play a game today, and it's called, we don't really have a name for it, but it's basically called Animal Noises from Around the World.
Nailed it.
So right now we have cards in front of us that say animal noises on it in different languages. The animals could either be a cat, chicken, dog, bee, bird, donkey, owl, pig, or cow.
Yes. So we're going to make different noises based on what it says in front of us, and then the other person will have to guess the animal.
Exactly.
Yes.
And this computer here tells us exactly how to say the way the animal noises are pronounced, because I don't speak Korean.
We don't speak any other languages.
Yeah. All right, round one, commence. Bow. Bow. Bow.
Is that a cow? No?
Bow. Okay, I'm gonna give you the language now.
Okay.
This is in South Korean, this animal noise. Once more. Boom.
An owl?
Yes!
What?
Ha-ha!
What?
1 point for you. Wow, you're doing pretty good.
I get 0 points for that. That's ridiculous. Okay. Okay. Are you ready, Alex?
Yeah, give it to me.
Mohi! Mohi!
That has to be a donkey.
Yeah!
Yeah!
You're welcome!
Let me see that. Okay, I gotta guess the language. Mohi.
Mohi.
Mohi derives. Can I have? Can you use it in a sentence, please?
The donkey goes mohi.
Mohi. Is that Japanese?
No.
I don't know. What is it?
Taiwanese.
Taiwanese. Whoa. Okay, Katie. Here's your next animal for round number 2. Wan.
Is it a piggy?
Wan. Wan.
What? That's a dog?
Yeah. Okay. and
Wan
then-
wan. What is? Pfft, I like it's the worst. So okay, so the language wan wan. I'm gonna go with Japanese. Did I get it?
Yeah, you got it.
Nailed it. Boohie boohie.
Boohie boohie.
Boohie boohie.
Is it a pig?
Yeah.
It's because you're like that.
I know.
Okay, language. I want to say Japanese.
Good job.
Yeah!
That's a chicken!
Yeah.
But what were you actually saying? Taiwanese is my final answer.
No,
No.
it is Spanish.
Oh, yeah. No hints? I can't give him hints! You're never gonna get it.
Is it a bee?
Yeah!
What?
Yeah!
Damn.
I know.
I guess they kind of make that noise. Damn.
I guess so.
Damn.
Yeah.
Germany?
No.
France?
No. France is
Swedish?
No. It's Japan.
Ah, darn.
Yeah.
All right, so it's 6-4. Now this is the final one. I'm gonna go off the cards here, and if you win this one, you could win it.
Could, if I get the language.
Yeah. Mo. Mo.
That's a cow.
Yes.
That's a cow for sure.
Uh-huh.
Is that French?
No. You have 2 more guesses.
Okay, but can you spell it?
Yes. Mo. Mo. M-O-U. M-O-U.
Oh, is it Japanese?
Yes! All right, Katie, well, you won the Animal Noises from the Around the World Challenge.
Yay!
Congratulations. Guys, if you guys want to learn more about what sort of, different noises animals make in different languages, we put a link in the description down below, so check that out.
Yay.
And that's pretty much it. Check out these other episodes over here.
I need to subscribe over here.
And I'll see you here in Man Beside.
Hey, Alex, let's talk it out like they're doing game shows.
Okay, cool. So, what do you do for Thanksgiving? Oh, gosh. Yeah, my mom. Ow. Jeez, that hurts.
I know.